Alright, now we're going to look at guardrails, okay? Basically, if we put the cursor here, it tells us moderation, PEI, jailbreaks, or hallucination check. Hallucinations are when AI answers something unrelated to what you asked. For example, you asked the typical question, right? How many letters of this type does this word have? In the past, AI would get confused and give wrong answers. Maybe it counted wrong or something, but it couldn't count properly, okay? That's a hallucination, and it can happen, okay? So basically what it does, look, it says here, what I've noted is that it helps us do safe reviews, okay? To validate info before proceeding, crucial for serious businesses, for use cases, workspace pausing, and personal data identification. It also helps us review if the user input defining the domain is valid. It's just for technical issues and such, okay? So if we select the guardrail here, right? Here we have the name, we can add an input, okay? Input as text is basically what it'll receive here, got it? What we'll put here is new note. I can delete this. You're making me, alright? Then we can set different configs, like detecting personal or identifiable information, okay? In settings, we say detect sensitive info before it reaches the model. For example, credit card information, right? So there's no problem. Name, phone number, and such, okay? Moderation, right? Classify the more harmful blocks or content, okay? That too, right? See? All these filters would let us activate them to moderate those messages. Jailbreak, okay? Basically, it detects prompt injection. Well, it means they could put us in jail, right? I'm understanding. We have a model to review rules and ensure we're not causing any crazy hallucinations, okay? And continue on error. It says, when enabled, you can define an error path, okay? And if guardrails finds errors, okay? Like, hey, this might be illegal in the person's country, right? Even if it's legal in yours, it might be illegal in their country. Well, error. I'll stop. If you say continue on error, you're basically removing the filter, right? You can say continue on error, and if it's an error, run it through the agent as a corrector, okay? So it's interesting too, okay? So that's how guardrails work, which is pretty interesting.